Hi, I'm Carol Rivet. Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel, or maybe you're catching this on Facebook. This team build and why I joined this team build and what I like about it. And I've been in other team builds over the years, many team builds. Some have done quite well, some not so good at all. Some didn't even last to the third month, but some have done very well, and I'm really excited with this one now. what this There's a couple things that I love about this team build. Is one, the product is an autoresponder. It's something everybody needs. It's a legit actual product, and it's $30 a month, which is about the going price of most of the autoresponders. But this autoresponder you can actually upload in a CVC, I believe it's called, a file, and upload 5,000 leads into the autoresponder and send them out your messages. And I can't do that with them. And my team uses Lead, which has SendSteed. So you can't upload thousands of leads like that. To this one, you can do that every 4 days, I believe it says. And so I was very impressed with that. So, and then it has a capture page that is customizable, and they're discussing adding a second one on there, which is fine. My team uses Leadsleep for our capture pages, and I've tweaked a couple of the capture pages that we have, and I'm really excited about it because I think for my team it's going to help us, because literally the team build, it starts with the capture page. It starts with the capture page, and then it goes to the sales page, but you also gotta have converting emails and everything. And this has it all. It has the capture pages, and the sales page, and the email series. And it even has with this, which I've never seen this before, and I didn't even have this. I had a Facebook group, but just where normally what happens is you put people, you add people to the group, they can ask questions, you put resources in there and things, and that's fine. But the group doesn't actually help you recruit. This group actually helps you to recruit, which is phenomenal. And the leader in the group, which her name is Susan, she does phenomenal with this. You can invite people to the group, and if they have questions about it and want to see the team, see that we're actual real people, you can be added to the group, and they ask you either if you've joined, who your sponsor is. If you haven't joined, who invited you. You put in the name, and so then she knows if you do end up joining, who you're going to join to, because who invited you to this incredible opportunity. Okay, so why did I join a team build and another team build? And like I've said, I've done team builds before. My last team build I did is where I was actually giving signups to people, and it didn't work. It's just, you can't do it that way, because it creates people that don't do anything. It's never going to get you to learn how to market online. And this is as simple as it gets. Why is it that I joined this? It's because, one, I wanted to be able to use traffic exchanges to be able to grow this, because everyone can use a traffic exchange, whether you have time or you don't have time and you have money, or safe lists, because you can upgrade and buy credits and just send them out and never even have to think twice about it. Or if you have time and you don't have money, you can click for credits and send out the capture pages that do the work for you, that do the selling and telling for you. And at the same time, it's growing your list. And if people have questions and you're not there, and they go into the Facebook group, Susan's there waiting. And I'm a lot of times in the group too, waiting if you have any questions, if you want to say hi, if you want to talk about anything specific about these. Okay, now, yes, I am you'll see a lot of videos that I've done that is about Legacy Builder program. That's an awesome program to learn how to recruit online, how to build, how to attract customers to you. Okay, that's a wonderful. You can come in, there's 4 digital products that teach you how to attract customers to you. Pick whichever product you want to do. If you want to learn that, maybe the team build's not for you, just go to one of my other videos. I've done hundreds of videos about that, or a webinar that is done about it. It teaches you how to attract your perfect customer, your targeted audience to you. This is a team build. What I wanted in a team build is, one, I wanted a rotator. Wanted a rotator that's going to help not so much me, but the people below me that struggle to recruit, that still want to be able to get 3 signups. Now, this is a 3x7 force matrix, okay? And that was the other thing I wanted, because I wanted to be able to force people down below. But the things I've noticed about most of the matrices and the ones I've been in, you only earn a quarter to 50 cents per person that falls into your matrix, and that's garbage. I'm sorry, but that's frank. And I know that there's a lot of them that are matching bonuses for if you recruit and you earn a 50% a match, and that's great if you recruit. That's great if you bring in a lot of people and you bring in people that know how to recruit. But if you're getting a 50% match of somebody that does nothing, that's not going to make you anything. So you're better off with making more income, more commissions from the matrix itself, to where people are falling down below into your matrix. And that's what this one does. And the company is Wealth Step by Step. This is it right here. Okay. And this is, it's got the leads. It's got right here's the autoresponder. This is the back office to it. At the autoresponder, emails, personal updates, lead capture pages, customers, domains. And there's a video for everything that you need. Okay. But what I wanted is, I wanted a team that's going to help my team to grow. And I want to be able to, and like I said, I've just begun. I just joined this a few days back, a couple days ago. I haven't even been in it a week yet. Okay. So as of right now, there's still one more spot at my first level. But that's not going to be there very long, because I've been talking with people. So first come, first serve. Okay, just saying. With a force matrix, the first 3 people, once that's full, everybody's going to fall below them. All right. And my sponsor, Lars, is a good recruiter, and I found him in the traffic exchange because I wanted to find somebody that was active in the traffic exchange, that I always see him in there. And the group is a really good group. I love the Facebook group because, like I said, the people can come into the Facebook group without even joining. You can go right in the Facebook group, talk to people, ask Susan questions if you have questions about this. What I like and what I wanted from this was a team rotator. I want a rotator that everybody gets added to until you get 3 people is what it was. I'm fine with that. I would have been fine with just a couple people. But 3 people, because it's a 3x7 forced matrix. Now, what is different with this matrix is that they pay you $3 per person and everyone you recruit on your first level. On the second level, they pay you $7 per person for everyone that drops into your matrix. Not for, I think I said on the first level, everyone you recruit. No, it's anyone that falls into your matrix, whether you recruit them or not, whether you bring them in or not. They either fall in there from your upline, your sponsor, or your upline even above me. So this is really good. So the second, like I said, second level is $7 per person. So that's phenomenal. That's 2 levels full is 12 people is all. Okay, so you're making $9 from your first level, then you're making $63 from your second level, which is $72, and then you take the $30 a month subscription fee, because this is a subscription, but what's good about this is that it makes a monthly residual income. This will grow. Now, I'm not going to promise that you're going to make thousands of dollars from this. This is not get rich quick. This is a legit company. It's an autoresponder, legit product, custom capture pages that you can customize yourself. All right. And this takes time to grow. With a team build, it takes time to grow, but it's possible to be able to do this. Now, you're not going to be able to just sit back and do nothing. At least, surf in the traffic exchanges, advertise an hour or something, whatever you can. If you can't do it and you have a few dollars, buy some credits, traffic exchange credits. That's not going to take you too much. Get added to the rotator. Advertise a little bit of credits to the team page. There is a team page that you need to advertise a little bit to. And you need to be active in the Facebook group, which is basically just, welcoming people, congratulating people when they're getting signups, posting when you've gotten somebody or somebody in your team has gotten somebody, congratulating them. It is team effort. And that's why I like this. As I said before, I've done a team build on my own before, and it did okay. But then, people were complaining they weren't getting signups fast enough. So, I mean, just the fact that you were being given signups and you were doing nothing. I didn't have any surf regulations or requirements or anything on there. This one doesn't either. But they do want to see you like in the Facebook group once in a while to say hi, congratulations, posting a little bit and sending a few hits a day to the team page and advertising your own page. But they mainly want you to advertise your own page. And I got this because this is good for traffic exchanges, safe lists, and Facebook. If you're on Facebook, just copy and paste the things that I'm posting on there as far as the team goes, and then put your link in it. That's all you have to do. If you can copy and paste, you can be successful in this. If you can just send a couple hits to the team page and post some stuff on Facebook, you're going to be good to go with this. Okay, if you don't want to do Facebook, don't sweat it. That's fine. If you don't want to do YouTube videos, that's fine. Don't sweat it. That's what I like about this, is that this will work in traffic exchanges, safe lists, which are free advertising. I mean, there's so many other areas and different places you can advertise in, but in these areas, traffic exchange, safe lists, the people are there for work from home opportunities, make money online opportunities, and team builds are on fire. People are looking for ways to make money online, but they want help. They want help from a team to help them to be able to grow their downline and help filling their matrix. So not only does this team build help you by sending you 3 paid referrals, and there's no time frame on when they're going to send them, okay? It could take months. It could be weeks. It could be longer than months, okay? But this team build is on fire, and I love that. And you stay on the rotator till you get 3, and then you go off the rotator, okay? Don't stop advertising, continue advertising, but then your 3 paid members are left on the rotator until they get 3. And so, of course, the bigger the rotator it gets, the longer it takes to get everybody new members. But these capture pages work like gold. This team build is great. I'm very excited about that. This is why I joined, is because they have the rotator to help everybody get 3 signups. They have capture pages, a whole funnel system all set, and there's no upsells. It's $30 a month, and that's it. Okay, and the matrix pays $3 first level, $7 second level, and $3 from the third level on down to the seventh. It is gold.